Lady Falcons in 4 sets. The Lady Tamaraws are now on a 3-match winning streak. We have Coach Manolo Repubia, Faida Bacanque, Jean Asis, and Jerz Petalio. Coach, congratulations for this victory. It's a character building na swing nyo 3 games in a week. At ano masasabi mo sa pinakita niyo team itong stretch na to na dinaanan nyo para maging third place pa rin kayo?
Happy naman kami, pati si Coach Steve, on behalf of Coach Steve. Sakit kasi siya. Happy doon sa nakita na performance na ginawa ng mga players. And nagbubunga na yung from na natalo kami dun sa nag-breaking natalo dun sa UP. So ang baba talaga ng emotion, gano'n. So kunti-kunti nakakabalik. So ayun, napakita na nila yung FEU Lady Tamaraws talaga.
Thank you. Eugene, you had 6 of 13 attacks, 5 service aces, 3 blocks. So ano masasabi mo na yun nga, nitong tatlong beses kayo naglaro nitong luto, and magiging maayos naman kayo at naging third place pa rin kayo. Ano masasabi?
Siguro, masasabi ko lang is kung paano talaga ikaw mag-boost sa sarili mo sa labor. Kaya sobrang sunod-sunod yung game. Siyempre nakakapagod siya, pero at the same time, iniisip namin ng team kung ano nga ba yung goal namin this season 87. Sino pa talaga yung
Thank you. To Jerz, you have 14 attacks, 2 service aces, 15 excellent receptions, and 5 digs. So yun nga, talagang at least makakahinga kayo ng maluwag kasi 3 games na dinaanan nyo in 1 week. So ano masasabi sa pinakitang character ng team?
Sobrang happy and talagang kasi pinaghirapan ko talaga namin. Every point sineselebrate namin, every point pinaghihirapan namin. And yung every point na yun, sa training, sobrang hirap yun. So kaya pinaghihirapan po namin lahat-lahat ng pinagdadaanan ng team, and thankful naman na naging bunga to, na lumalabas na yung consistency na sinasabi natin. And hopefully mag-continue pa.
Thank you, Jerz. To Faida, you have 10 attacks, 3 blocks, 7 digs. So what can you say about your performance? Are you getting better, or you looking for something more from you, Faida?
The first, I want to say thank you to my teammates and the coaches, because it's about team work.
Yeah.
Work. And then also about the focus. We was focused and they happy inside to the court. And then I'm so happy also to my performance. So I hope I cannot stop that, but I'm still to do it every time. Thank you.
Thank you, Faida.